Hello, food lovers. Welcome to a journey of flavors and aromas. Today, we journey to the sun-kissed shores of Santorini, Greece, a place where culinary dreams come true. Picture this, whitewashed houses clinging to cliffs, creating a stunning contrast against the deep blue sea. The Aegean Sea sparkles below, inviting you to dive into its refreshing waters. The air is filled with the scent of oregano, thyme, and rosemary, promising a feast for the senses. We're diving into a classic Santorini recipe, tomato fritters. These delightful bites are a staple in local cuisine. These fritters are bursting with the flavors of the island, combining fresh tomatoes, herbs, and a touch of love. Get ready for a taste of Santorini sunshine. Imagine enjoying these fritters while dining outdoors, with the sun setting over the horizon. Explore the local markets where fresh ingredients are sourced daily, ensuring every dish is a masterpiece. Embrace the vibrant culture and let the flavors of Santorini transport you to a culinary paradise. Let's gather our ingredients. Keep it simple, keep it fresh. We'll need juicy, ripe tomatoes, the heart of our fritters. Grab some fresh onion, garlic, and fragrant oregano. A handful of flour and a little baking powder will bind everything together. Finally, a pinch of salt and pepper and some olive oil for frying, and then we're good to go. Now let's get cooking. Today we're diving into the heart of Greek cuisine with a beloved classic, tomato fritters. These crispy delights are perfect as an appetizer or a snack. Start by dicing the tomatoes, onions, and garlic. Make sure the pieces are small and even to ensure they cook evenly. In a large bowl, combine the diced vegetables with flour, baking powder, salt, pepper, and a touch of oregano. The oregano adds a wonderful aromatic flavor. Mix everything together gently until you have a smooth batter. Heat a generous amount of olive oil in a frying pan over medium heat. The oil should be hot but not smoking. Use a spoon to drop spoonfuls of the batter into the hot oil. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan, as this will lower the oil temperature. Fry the fritters until they are golden brown and crispy on both sides. This should take about 3-4 minutes per side. Once cooked, remove the fritters and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. Serve hot and enjoy the taste of Santorini in every bite. Section 4. Serving with Santorini style. Imagine yourself dining in a picturesque Santorini restaurant, surrounded by the stunning views of the Aegean Sea. Serve your fritters hot, straight from the pan. The crispy exterior and the soft, flavorful interior make them irresistible. They're delicious on their own, or with a dollop of creamy Greek yogurt. The tanginess of the yogurt perfectly complements the savory fritters, creating a delightful balance of flavors. For a true Santorini experience, pair them with a simple salad of cucumbers, tomatoes, and feta cheese, drizzled with olive oil and a sprinkle of oregano. This fresh and vibrant salad adds a refreshing contrast to the warm fritters. And don't forget a glass of chilled Assyrtiko, the island's iconic white wine. Its crisp and citrusy notes are the perfect accompaniment to this delightful meal, enhancing the overall dining experience. Section 5. A taste of tradition. These simple fritters represent the heart of Santorini's cuisine, fresh, flavorful, and deeply connected to the land. Traditionally enjoyed as a snack or part of a light meal with friends, they reflect the island's laid-back lifestyle and vibrant culinary traditions. So, gather your fresh ingredients, put on some lively Greek music, and transport yourself to the sunny shores of Santorini with every delicious bite.